Gears washed, 7's washed. We are going to just get finished with the vacuuming. So Monday or in the next vlog we're gonna have a new car reveal.
We're gonna do a review for you guys on
the new car.
drives, yeah.
Okay.
We'll do a full review for these that wants to buy in that direction. Maybe you like it, maybe you don't. I don't care.
So we eventually finished. One of the members came to visit us. He's in the car there. We eventually finished the cars, finished that car. So we are on our way to Jobs. We were supposed to be there too, but yeah, in JMR fashion, we are always late. Ooh, what was that? Damn. Luca came to visit. I have to. So we on the way to Jobs finally. What's it time? So we just arrived to Generation. Looking over the camera. Just around moving stuff over now. You can see. Look, yeah, I can't vlog, my hand is shaky. Slap myself.
Come on, can't vlog, my bro. You asked the wrong person. He's got a shaky hand.
You see this vacuum, no? This vacuum. 1600 watt vacuum. You know that thing? You put that on the dyno.
What?
Huh?
What do you want to put on the dyno?
The vacuum?
The vacuum, yeah.
Why not?
Say around about
What is it?
say around about say 300 kilowatts.
Right. No, 300 on the wheels, no? So 400 on the vacuum.
Yeah.
What? Talking about the vacuum. Oh, everything's there. Yeah. So what do you have to say? Shaky. Maybe it's the phone. Finally here by Jobs place. Hopefully we can get some progress on his lip. You know, JMR fashion.
How's it, Kazi?
Salam. What?
Fashion to pull up light.
My bro, now long we took to clean my daddy's car and the Kia.
You washed them up.
No. Because we didn't have time.
Clean the wheels.
Well, the wheels was clean. We brought the grinder.
No, sander.
No, you said you mustn't.
I don't know. Keep.
Are you gonna pull your car out?
If you find it, then pull it out.
Did you have an issue yesterday? So, Jobs, don't you want to show them the whole idea behind this lip? The self-made lip.
How do you mean?
Like, show them the first one.
I already showed them. No guys. Go for the grinder, bro.
Could I get some help over here? So, Jobs made his own lip. So, this was the first run, eh, Jobs?
Yeah.
So, we're trying to finish it today.
It
Looks nice, bro. It changes the car completely. So, we were going to wash this car, but we already washed the Kia, we washed the 7.
I'm gonna put this here. We can store.
Okay, cool.
Can I put this on the floor?
Okay, cool. So then we're still gonna wash midnight,
Let's go.
and we're gonna
Let's go.
do the finishing touches on the lip.
Maybe if you want, then I can pull my car in. Start vacuuming my car.
Junaid's taking some pictures for the page.
I'm busy cinematic.
Oh.
Okay, Ramri. I'm gonna do this agent. I know what to do. You can get to no? Let's move this one. Go. Go. Okay, now keep that side. Go, right? Nah, I'm just throw me off. Go with you. See you. Come on, dress. Go on, Nico. Because I have a bumper off and I fitted it so it was fitting. But this, when it overlaps so, then it pushes out. Now we're not finished.
Let's see. Bro, what is this?
So, oh.
It looks good, no?
I think it's fine. So now, don't cut to the grinder. When you take the mold off, this is what you do here. You sand it down to where you want it to be. Because if you cut to the grinder, if you cut too much, you can't back out. See, man. So, that was you focusing on the mold.
It's gonna make it heavier and more durable.
No, I can do it.
I mean, you can always make another mold if you want, or.
How do you want another mold?
I'm just saying.
That is definitely a plan with the mold. Because remember, people that do, you see that extended arches and all of that, they do that with this. I saw a video where the brush sprays it on, and he cuts it off, then he starts sanding it down to the shape that he wants it to be. My bro, that thing came out boy, my bro.
Like this.
Is dat Frans stukje, man?
You didn't even need to do like a fiberglass sticky or something.
Oh, wait, now I did it for support.
Okay. I don't know.
Thank you for lighting us.
Safe.
I have a 5 rand in my bag. Do a pull. Nah, this will be a vlog on its own. I actually wanted to mention that I'm gonna make like a playlist of like all our mini vlogs, because we have so much footage of vlogs that that isn't like informative enough. You know what I mean? There's not enough talking, or yeah, it's gonna go to waste if I delete it all. So I'm gonna make like a mini playlist of mini vlogs on the page, on the channel, and I think this one will maybe go with it. So the mini vlogs will be posted randomly during the week, like maybe 1 or 2 a week, because there's quite a bit, and then the main vlogs will be posted like every second week on a Friday. But yeah, that's just like a bitchy announcements. Anyway, we're gonna go fetch the new car. Yeah,
The mommy van.
it's not a mommy van, but yeah, we're gonna tell you how it's driving, how it looks, and everything. Chandra's excited. Really excited.
I am actually.
Yeah, but
Got butterflies.
but okay, yeah. As usual, we'll take you guys along and see what happens. Waiting. Chandra is still nervous.
Who I'm nervous, man. Show the music off.
My good sir, what is your initial impressions?
I'll give you guys a full rundown. So,
What you mean?
okay. So, if you're looking for a daily to move from A to B, maybe not quick, but it'll get you there. So it's economical. It's alright. It's not fast, but it's a good car. The drive is extremely comfortable. I mean, it's not big, but it's not small either. So it's just about the right size. I was not a big Ford fan initially, but price range is good. So I paid for it was okay. I'd say. For the year model and the amount of kilometers I have in the car has 23,903 kilometers on the clock, which is fairly new, I'd say. But so far I don't have any complaints. Nothing at all. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It's comfortable.
Are you enjoying it?
Definitely enjoying it. Distraction control for these constantly burning. Will never be. But it's a good car.
So Chandra has a gig.
Town, so we'll do a full review into the front about that.
Yeah. It's been, let's say, what's the time now?
What you call it? 25 goes.
25 past? 25 past 3. This bra got the car for just over 2 hours. And he's moving it around corners. Yeah. If this vlog never comes out, you know why. But yeah, John, this car is not made for this. Yeah, the back tire is coming up. So we're on the way to the gig now. We'll try and get you some videos at the gig as
We're
well.
gonna get there.
What? I'm here for a long time, not a good time, you know.
I'm here for a good time, not a long time, bruh.
Nah, I'm trying to be here for a long time, not a good time. What, Jenny?
Dat is lekker goed.
Is it
We
finished?
can go back out.
That was nice.
So again, we made it off the mountain, and then Jandre is clipping the filter. Over 2 hours. Why?
It's Wi-Fi.
Oh my word.
That's evil, man.
That's easy. That can still, Nice as blue, John. Nice.
Yay!
Traction off.
Where did they put this here?
Long time, bro. Jara mana lang, denk ik.
Yo, all the robots.
I want to be by this one.
Yo.
I am the law.
Is that from Groen?
Yes, yeah.
I am.
Imagine you were almost driving that.
Yo, bra. Jij doet weer mooi, bro. Unclip je foto's, maar die zie je alle dag.
This is in the vlog. We're gonna have to cut it. Go, 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 go. That's why I wanna buy 1,000 bulls just to kick at the end of the beats. It's a mill. You kick one and you go fetch it all time.
Inside her new Balenciaga, cigarettes in tiny liquor bottles, just what you expect. Inside her new Balenciaga, cigarettes in tiny liquor bottles, just what you expect. Inside her new.
We just arrived at the waterfront now. We're gonna go up to the gig, to the event, and I'll take some videos over there. I'm not sure if we can film in the waterfront, so you'll just have to see videos of Mr. Jandre playing. So yeah.
Show them how much luggage space this thing has, man, bro. It's amazing. So I'm a musician, part-time. So it's always good to have enough luggage. It's always good to have enough luggage space. So I think this car is very, very not it's economical, but it's also very friendly, man, when it comes to like packing space and all of that. So if you have a family, this is really one of the nicest things. If you're into small cars, this is it's a very nice thing. You can even, if you feel like your kids are just working on your last meal, put them in the book. Get it? Look at that! Amazing, man!
So there was a mix-up with the times and the gig.
Starting at 7.
Not 6. And it's 4 o'clock. 3 hours. Yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna buy that. We're gonna buy
There you
it.
go, guys. We officially here. Sound check is in about 10 minutes. So, yeah, we'll give you some clips of the gig. So, we got some music going over there. Yeah, guys. So, we're gonna just give you some clips of the gig and maybe the drive home. Then that will conclude the vlog. Try something different for a change. Hopefully, you guys enjoy it.
Cigarettes in tiny